Hello, I am Sally with the Homespun Hobby, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of a product that I have on my store. I ordered one for myself, and I'm going to open it up and show you. I have had this on my website for a while. People tend to stick to the homepage or look at the product that they're interested in, don't really look around the shop. So I thought, I'm going to order one, and I'm going to show everybody. So this is a coffee mug. And it says on both sides, "You see I'm diamond painting, yet you are still talking." This is blue. You can choose from, I think, 5 colors. The typical red, yellow, blue, black. And I don't remember what else is in there, but the cup is made in China, but this is printed and shipped from the United States. This is an 11-ounce mug, and it's $14.95 plus shipping. I don't remember how much the shipping was. So this was a print-on-demand product. So I don't make these. So when you order one and you pick a color, it's printed in the United States and shipped directly to you from the printing company. So I just wanted to show you the quality of the mug. I love the color on the inside, and it's not just a plain white mug. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great, subscribe, please. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks and have a great day.